Maraschino cherries add an instant aesthetic appeal and are the perfect way to top off a fun and fruity drink. To make your own maraschino cherries, start by bringing 4 quarts of water and 2 tablespoons of pickling salt to a boil in a large stock pot. Stir the water until the salt is completely dissolved. Then remove the mixture from the stove and let it cool for about 30 minutes. Place 6 pounds of pitted cherries in a large container and pour the saltwater mixture over them. Cover the cherries with a lid and let them sit for 12 hours. Next, strain the cherries and rinse them with cold water to wash off any of the leftover brine. Combine 9 pounds of sugar, 6 cups of water, and juice from 2 lemons into a large saucepan. To give your cherries their classic red color, add a few dashes of red food coloring. Place the saucepan over medium heat and bring it to a boil. Stir the mixture until the sugar is completely dissolved. Then remove the mixture from the heat. After it is cooled, pour it over the cherries. You can even add a cinnamon stick to heighten the flavor. After the cherries have soaked for 24 hours, drain them into a jar. Pour juice from the cherries back into the saucepan and bring it to a boil. Remove it from the heat and stir in 2 ounces of almond extract. Finally, pour the juice over the cherries for added flavor. You can store the jars in the refrigerator for up to 6 weeks. Your guests are sure to love this eye-catching garnish.